FYAS Minister Govindas urged the people to take collective responsibility to restore peace in the state following Lok Sabha poll results rather than criticizing the government. This was stated by the minister during a feast organized at Mangol Nganbi College, Ningthaukhong's relief camp to commemorate the death anniversary of Sangapam Rajib, Sangapam Romen and Ningthaujam Rani, who had died in 2019 after their boat capsized at Ramrei in Kamjong district in 2019. Minister emphasized the importance of careful consideration in dealing with the prevailing crisis. He also denounced on the failure of prioritization. Condemning the misleading report given by certain national media regarding the killing of 2 CRPF personnel yesterday at Naransaina, he stressed on the need of speaking the truth. He further stated that it is shameful for misleading one's community with false propaganda.
Akoi Manipur se hojiki election se hek loibaga June gi tang manga gi matung dagi di Manipur si su santi oiba adugumba state ama mtang oihallaga ko akoi meyam changna sarkar khakta de inthokpi bana taba akoi su wakhan khara mind apply to ba khara darkar tai mina mind apply to we ngarang nahan CRPF kapi basi de ngasi khabar yaursi yam dongning ma yamna akoi si asing basi afaba mai kai de season abi ba phagani any community fattaba mai kai de season abi gano propaganda na mi mahan mane propaganda na lebak thugai bani asima idi khanghan ninge every community akoi se lebak ki oina khanma ma darkar tai tawude ai gi community he na pharana ba hona matamda atopa community ma loisina ba hona ba taragadi aduda de akoi amaga ba nungsina daba war hai base soidan lakane ba aduna I just my humble submission to all the communities refrain from rumors reasonable oibada chatse akoi